Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kizak's channel, and in today's episode we're gonna learn the following topics, and you can find the timestamp in the description box. So let's start. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today I will explain you all the options under the Draw tab in Excel. So the Draw tab in Excel is mainly for working with touch screens, stylus pen devices, or even a mouse to add ink, annotations, and drawings directly into your worksheet. So it can be used when you are reviewing data or explaining trends or working on a touch screen or a laptop. So you can use your worksheet as a paper and you can mark things on your worksheet. So let's use some tools in the Draw tab which we can commonly use when we are using touch screen. For example, we can use a pen tool to circle the month with the highest sales. So this one is the highest sales, so we can use it to circle it. And then we can use the red pen to highlight the sales, lowest monthly sales. And then we can use the highlighter to highlight the sales of products like this. And then we can use ink replay to replay everything back. And then we have ink to maths, so we can write our mathematical equation here. And then, for example, let's write 5 plus 5 equal to 10. Then we can insert that. So hopefully you understand what is a draw tab. So it's basically used when you are using a tablet and you want to review your data on your tablet, and you can mark it, or when you are giving an presentation and you want to make somebody understand the data, then you can use the draw tab to draw circles, arrows, and highlight on your worksheet. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about page layout in Excel. So do you ever wondered how to make your Excel sheet look clean and print ready? That's where the page layout tab comes in. So you can use page layout tab to make your worksheet print ready. So first of all, we have themes group. Here you can change the already selected themes, or you can change the colors of them, and then you can even change the font and then some effect. This is great for reports or company branding. And then we have page setup group. In we have margins, orientation, size, print breaks, background, and print titles. So margin, orientation, and size. These will control how your worksheet looks when you print. So you can change the margins and you can change orientation, that if you want in portrait or landscape mode. And then we have size, where you can select if you need A4 or a letter, or you can change the size from here, the one you want. And then you can select the background and you can print the title. You can choose the rows and column to repeat on every page. And then you have scale to fit. For example, you have a white table and you want to freeze it on a page, then you can change the width and height of the page. And then we have sheet option groups. Here you can turn off on the grid lines and headings for your print. And then we have arrange group. So if you're working with charts or shapes or objects on your worksheet, then you have to use the arrange section. Hopefully you understand the page layout tab. So remember, the page layout tab is equal to presentation and printing power. Perfect for report, presentation, or anything you need to share. So you need to keep practicing with all the heights and the width so you can learn it properly. Hopefully you liked this video. If you liked the video, press the like button and follow for more videos like that. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. As we were learning all the options in Excel, today we will learn about formulas bar in Excel. So under the formula bar, we have insert function option. That's an insert function tool. Think of it as Excel's formula search engine. So for example, I have some sales here and I want to do average of them, but I don't remember the formula. So what I can do is I want the average. I will select that cell and then go to insert function. If I click on it, then I got this insert function box, and then it says type a brief description of what you want to do and then click go. So we will write average here and then select the go. Now we have average function here. If we select this and select OK, now this is asking us the number. It's already selected the numbers, but if it don't, you just need to go over here and select everything. And now we have these numbers here and then select OK. Now you will see that this is the average. And if we click on this in the formula bar, it says average into E2 till E6. So instead of remembering formulas, just click the FX insert function and type what you need, and Excel does the heavy lifting for you. So hopefully you liked today's video. If you liked today's video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about everything in Excel, today we will learn about the formula tab, and we will learn about the function library under the formula tab. So if you want to find any Excel formula in seconds, let me show you the function library today. So in function library, we have different categories: financial, logical, text, date and time, and lookup and reference, math and trigonometry. And then we have more functions. Why we have this function library in Excel? Because instead of remembering formulas, you can search them in any category. So I will show you the use of this by doing a quick demo here. So I have some numbers and I want to convert them into Roman, but I don't remember the formula and I don't remember the reference of it. So what I will do is I can can select the cell where I want to add the Roman number, and then I can even go to the function insert, or I can even go to one of these, but I don't remember where was it. So I will just go to insert function, and here I can just type Roman and press enter. I have find the Roman here now, so I will select this one and press OK. Now it says you can select the number where you want it to be, because I didn't remember the function arguments as well, so that's why it's easier when you do it from here. So what I can do is I selected the Roman function, and then I can type either my cells here or I can select from here. So it's easier to select from here, so I will go over here and then select the number I want to convert them into Roman. I want to convert from A2 to A10. As you can see here, it's selected here as well, and then select OK. Now as you can see here, it converted all the numbers into the Roman, and I don't have to remember the function and function arguments. So here the function library come useful. So next time if you're lost in the formulas, function library is your cheat sheet. And if you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about all the options in Excel, today we will learn about the formula tab, and we will learn about the define names category. So this category is very useful because you can give any cell in your worksheet a name, or any selection in your worksheet name. So let's understand this with a quick demo. For example, you want to do sum of your monthly sales. What you will do is, let's use a shortcut Alt equal to do the sum. So what I did here is I pressed Alt equal, and it has written the formula for me. So here I have B2 to B11. If I want to do sum, then I have to remember that my monthly sales are in cell from B2 to B11. But nobody wants to remember this C2 till B11. I just want to give a name to this. So what I will do is I will delete this, and now here I will give this a name. So I can go to define name section or create from selection. First, let's try to give a name by define name, and here you can give name, for example, sales, so I can remember them, and then let's give the reference to them. So what I will do is I will select from B2 till B11. Now it's saying in sheet 3 B2 till B11, and now I will select OK. Now I have given a name to my monthly sales. So here in the name manager, you can go and you can see you have a sales name given to your monthly sales. So what I can do is, whenever I'm writing any formula, I can do equal sum into the brackets. I can put sales. Now it's showing here. You can select from here, or either you can type it and then close the bracket and then press enter to do the same thing. But now I have only sales here. I don't have to remember from B2 till B11 are the sales. So I'm using this formula anywhere. I can write it anywhere. Even in VBA, I can write this. I don't have to remember in which column and in which row was my data. So I can give them name. So you can go to name manager, and then you can select it and then delete it. So I have deleted it now. It's showing error here because I have deleted the sales and same. Now let's give the name by using create from selection. So if I click on this, and let's take the top row and then select OK. So let's select our data and go to create selection. Now create names from values. Let's do the top row and select OK. Now if you go to the sales manager, you have monthly sales here. You can either edit it, you can only give the name sales or monthly sales, but leave it as a monthly sales. As you can see here, it refers to the same as it referred before. So then select OK. Now we have monthly sales here, but this is a bit long, so we will just name it as sales. It's easier to type in the formulas and then select OK. Now if we do the sum again, equal sum into sales, and then press enter. Did the same job. So you can either give a name from name manager, or you can give the name from selection. So it's a bit easier to give a name from selection, but you have to add it a little bit because if your column name is a bit long. So hopefully you understand how to name a selection or a cell in your Excel sheet and make your work life easier. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. As we were learning about all the options in Excel, today we will learn about defined names category under the formula tab. So I had told you in my previous video that how to name a selection in your worksheet by using define name or create from selection. Let's do this again, and I will show you today what is used in formula button. So what we can do is we can select our data, one which we want to name, and then go to create from selection. You can give this name by define name. You can watch my previous video to learn about this, but today we will just quickly name by using create from selection. So now click the top row and then select OK. So now if you go to name manager, we have monthly sales. Add it as name by coming over here, and then you can even delete it and you can create a new one. Let's close this. Now we have monthly sales named as monthly sales, so we don't have to select from B2 to B11, so we don't have to remember that our monthly sale data is in from B2 to B11. This will be very useful when you are writing formulas or you are writing formulas in your VBA. So let's do this. Let's put equal sum, then put your bracket, and then you can type monthly sales. So now we have monthly sales here. Select this either this way and then press enter. But what if you are too lazy to even type the monthly sales? What you can do is, that's a bit more easier, put equal sum and then your bracket, and then go quickly over using formula. Now we have monthly sales here. Just one click on this and you have monthly sales here, and then just scroll the bracket or press enter button. Now you have your sum here. So from this button you can use all the names given by you to your selections in your worksheet. As we have only one, so it's only one appearing here, but if we have more, there will be more here. So hopefully you understand define names in formula and you have learned something new. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this.